A big lie that I'm seeing in the cleaning industry is that working hard, grinding it out, and just thugging it out, is going to get you somewhere in your business. Now, that's not to say work ethic is not important, right? But that's not the only factor when it comes to doubling or tripling your income as a cleaning business owner. Working hard is just not enough. You could be working hard doing the wrong thing. You could be working hard doing something that worked maybe 5 years ago and doesn't work today. So what's the point of going 200% and burning yourself out within 2 or 3 weeks, not getting any results, and then simply giving up? And so that's one of the biggest lies that just absolutely irritates me, Mike, because I'm seeing people that have extremely high work ethic, but they're not going anywhere, and it pains me just to see that waste of time, waste of money, and wasted energy. It's not something that I endorse.
Yes, yeah. And why do people think they have to grind and suffer?
Yeah, they feel like they have to grind and suffer because, when it comes down to it, sometimes it gets down to personality or this deep fear within us that we never broke out of it, right? Whether we were raised in a certain way where it's just work hard as hard as you can, never give up, those kinds of things of the old days, where in reality, there's a lot more to that advice than just working as hard as you possibly can. Because, a lot of us started our cleaning business is actually doing the work, and there's no problem with that. I did that as well, and at some point in time I was one of those people where I just wanted to grind it out and work as much hours as possible cleaning, and then I'll somehow turn that income into something better in the future. But in reality, it just does not work that way. We almost get this feeling, we almost get this sense of security in the suffering. We almost get used to it, and you never kind of break that cycle. Even I was raised in a way where it was like, if you suffer for a period of time, there's going to be some sort of reward at the end of it. And we never know when that reward is coming. And I was definitely raised that way, and I held that truth for a big portion of the beginning of my career in business. But then it wasn't until I suffered long enough where nothing was happening, I wasn't even close to the reward. So it's like, is that reward even coming? You start questioning that. When you start questioning that you start changing a lot more in your life. And I realized, oh, I don't have to be working. I don't have to be suffering so hard to get what I want out of life. Once I made that realization, things really blew up for me. It's one of those untold secrets that when you make it in life, when you find some success in life that people just simply don't tell you, right? Nobody wants to tell you that I found success doing less work, right? That's not a really fun success story. And so you get a lot less of those people. You get a lot more people saying, I had to suffer, I had to go through this and this, I went through hell and back just to get where I am at now. It's almost like a pride thing where I absolutely earned where I'm supposed to be. And so they teach that kind of thing, and it becomes this negative cycle, this negative loop of I have to work insanely hard to achieve my dreams. If I don't achieve my dreams, then I'm just lazy.
Right.